Did you know your liver cleans 1,400 liters of blood every day? Yet, a shocking 75% of modern adults face declining liver function. Even crazier, your liver can be 70% damaged before showing any symptoms. That's why it's called the silent organ. Don't worry though, today I'm sharing 5 foods that can dramatically improve your liver health. The last one, backed by animal studies, even boosts liver regeneration, so stick around until the end. First up, broccoli. It's packed with sulforaphane, a powerhouse compound that boosts detox enzyme production, supercharging your liver's ability to flush toxins. A Johns Hopkins University study found that people eating broccoli sprouts regularly had significantly better liver function markers than those who didn't. Just 1 cup a day can make a difference. Second, avocado. Here's a jaw-dropping fact. Avocados are rich in unsaturated fats and antioxidants that help your liver produce glutathione, the liver's VIP cleanup crew. This protects and regenerates liver cells, especially during alcohol breakdown. Eating 2-3 avocados a week can noticeably improve liver function. Third, carrots. Their beta-carotene converts to vitamin A in the liver, promoting cell regeneration. Here's the key: cooking carrots lightly or pairing them with olive oil can boost absorption by up to 5 times. Per studies, 1 medium carrot daily is enough. Fourth, green tea. Its catechins are known to prevent liver fat buildup and inflammation. But here's something more. A large Japanese study showed that drinking 3 to 5 cups daily lowered liver cancer risk significantly. Avoid drinking on an empty stomach, though, and stick to after meals 30 minutes later is ideal. Overdoing it can strain your liver, so moderation is key. And finally, the food you've been waiting for: garlic. Its allicin and selenium maximize detox power, and recent animal studies show garlic speeds up damaged liver regeneration. Here's the trick: let chopped garlic sit for 10 minutes before cooking to activate allicin fully. Aim for 2 to 3 cloves daily, but if you have a sensitive stomach, cook it first. Wondering if these foods really work? Clinical data shows consistent intake of these liver-supporting nutrients significantly improves liver function markers. But here's a critical point: no matter how much of these you eat, excessive alcohol or greasy foods can cancel out the benefits. Considering Koreans consume 2.5 times the WHO's recommended alcohol intake, pairing these foods with lifestyle changes is a must. Another thing: each food may cause side effects depending on your body. Start small and monitor your response. Green tea can hinder iron absorption if overconsumed, and garlic may irritate sensitive stomachs. Here's a bonus tip: combining these foods creates a synergy effect. Try stir-frying broccoli with garlic or making a carrot-avocado salad with a side of green tea to amplify liver benefits. Your liver health isn't a lost cause. It's never too late. Add these 5 foods to your diet consistently, and in a few weeks, you'll feel lighter and less fatigued. Here's to a healthier liver and a vibrant life. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe. Share your favorite liver-friendly food in the comments.